Hey, it's Eric Meyer here in the office at Light 98.7. Got another food review. Let's check out this time Cheez-It Crunch'd. It is the puffed up crunch. You will love to munch something crunchy, puffy, and as they say on the back, 100% Cheez-Its. So here are the puffs. Kind of the shape of the Cheez-It cracker. So if a cheese puff and a Cheez-It cracker had a kid, may not be your best friend at school, but you wouldn't shun him either. So, yeah, not bad. Subscribe, check out more food reviews and everything we do here at the radio station Light 98.7.